This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. I'm just making sure my GoPro's on. It's Friday morning, the 22nd, I believe. The 22nd. Yeah, we had a really nice, beautiful day in Kreuzlingen. You see, it's not as clear today. We have some high level fog, which we do get here on Lake Constance. But I'm so glad I took that time yesterday because I think the storms are probably not moving in till a little later. I think around Sunday. I think Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday are supposed to have rain. So, and it is a little chillier today. We have a couple of pigeons out there. Oh, look at that. Look at that, YouTubers. And I can tell you that's not good. That was not here last night. So someone did that early this morning. I'm going to have to get that up. So, I don't know how many birds ate it, but it's not good. Like I say, I have to get out here in the morning. You see, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 crows. Not 50, 19. And this is the reason why. I'm going to march back and I have no idea how many pigeons ate this. But certainly someone was eating it, and I'm going to get this up right now before I throw my food down. So now you see what I'm up against. You can look at this. At the very least, the bread is moldy. I don't like touching it like this, but I have to. I don't know what to say. I don't smell any residue on it, but that doesn't mean anything. I'm going to get this up, and then we'll continue on with our... I had a bad feeling this morning. Sometimes I get those, when you wake up and say, something's not going to go right today. And here we are. So... but I gotta get that up. I need gloves. I went through a whole pile of stuff out. I don't know how many birds ate it. I have no idea. But
Does it look bad? Looks bad.
Well, there is white stuff on it. That could be mold. It's definitely the bread's moldy, but it's weird. I think there in the glove box is
some bags, right?
Is a bag. Put this other stuff away.
Yep.
I'm going to get this up. It's DC Danton Crow Crusader in action. So normally they throw this stuff out in the night. Now I put grain and seed out here last night, and that's all gone. But definitely some birds ate this bread. Okay, because you can see the outline perimeters that somebody ate it. In fact, it was all the way out here. Oh, and the red chili peppers are out here. I can tell you that's poison right away, because that's the modus operandi of the people who were throwing on the back parking lot. And they mixed in the red chilies because they know that they like them. There they are. Oh, that's not good. That's not a good sign. That's a poisoner. That's a poisoner. And they had to do it early this morning. So it's either an employee of Hayfully, an employee of Migros, the janitor, or it's some individual here. Luckily, I'm not trying to get it out of the mud. But, yeah. This is very bad for the birds. Not only literally deadly for them, but bad when they see me getting this up because they don't understand. Yeah. And they threw corn in there too. Oh wow, that's really bad. Because someone's made a concoction of things that attract the crows. Corn, the red hot chili, that's not meant for the pigeons. The pigeons don't eat that. They won't eat that. Raisins. Raisins are great for soaking poison. So, yeah. It's obviously someone who read on the internet that crows like chilies. And who knows how big this pile was. But it was definitely done in the night. Okay, so no one would do this during the day. And they do it in little pieces. So the maximum amount is taken up. So, anyway, there you go. I don't know how many more birds I'm going to lose now. It's the way it is. Try to get up as much as I can here. But I probably had a lot more stuff in it on top here. And the crows can't tell the difference. Let's hope our Charlie didn't eat any of this. So now you see what I'm up against, YouTubers. Now you know. So, I'm not going to throw any seed down here today. I don't want to attract any birds here. Here's one piece. Yeah, and that's what they do. Someone who's just feeding the birds has some old bread laying around or whatever. That's what they do. Okay, they throw it out. In fact, I'll just throw most of this by the sparrows. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but that kind of mixture I found in the parking lot, and those people were killing the birds on the parking lot. So I'm gonna put out this right here, and that's what I said to you the other day. It's been too quiet. People haven't been, attacking me. But look around. Where are the crows? Okay. Where are the crows? Well, I'm going to ask the environmentalist of Kreuzlingen to direct him to my channel and let him look at this latest video. By the way, I picked up a piece of bread, and unfortunately I touched my nose and my nose is burning. So there you go. There you go. I think that's pretty clear. For me, it's poison. That's always what happens. Normally I wear gloves, but didn't have time to do that. So, I'll put out a little shelled peanuts. This weekend, I think I'll get the copy of those articles there out with the link. We'll see if I can get a hold of that guy today, who wrote the article from the Max Planck Institute. We'll see if we can get that and get that video. Yeah, there we go. We'll just put all this seed over here. Yeah, that's very bad. Mixing chilies and corn. Oh, here's our Charlie. Hey, good boy. There we go. Hey, good boy. Come here, Charlie. Come here, baby. Here we go. There. Hmm? Is that my good boy? Is that my good boy? Is that my Charlie? Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. And some sausage? Is it the cheese? Yeah, good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Is it a good boy? It's a good boy, huh? Is that my good boy? Hmm? Do you want to eat over here? Do you want to eat over here? Here, Charlie. Here, Charlie. Here, good boy. Here, good boy. Here, good boy. Hmm? Want your cheddar today? Want your cheddar today? Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. There he goes. There goes Charlie. He just wants cheese today. I guess because this woman's over here. Throw this down for the